I managed to do a little bit of a mock-up, just a pre-assembly. Nothing's tied anywhere really. But the way I got the motor screwed on is I managed to take like a screw out of out of one of them, and then I can use the screw temporarily. So that's what I did for the 2Z and the X up here. Now you can see the Y seems to be moving even better today for some reason. Maybe because it's raining outside, who knows. But the X is very smooth. I got a little bit of a bad angle. Alright. Anyway, the X is going good. Like I said, none of this is tight. You can see it kind of like just sits there. But anyway, it moves good. I've had it all the way up and down. It moves very easily. Once it gets lined up, synced up, it should be just fine. I do have the spring in both sides for the anti-backlash. Everything seems to be okay. I just noticed this is a little bit off. I'm going to have to look at this a little closer. I think it's just loose. Yeah, a little closer. I got pre-assembly. It looks, I forget where the table is. Let's see. 300 in this direction. It's pretty close to this this edge, not these ears, but this edge. It's just under 300. So the print nozzle is supposed to come out right to that edge, a little bit past this side, probably about a 1/4 inch is what I wanted. So it looks like it came out about 1/4 inch, maybe a little less. And then that direction it can go past. So this direction though, I'm actually hitting some interference on the uprights due to the print. It's got some kind of ear on it. Little, it can be cut off or sanded off, filed off, whatever. And then I'll be able to travel all the way over here. But I think it's gonna be good. That's really nice. I guess I should try to get my X just as good as that. But, maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know. Maybe just try it and see what happens. But yeah, it came out according to plan, so that's nice. Here's it goes past there. It does interfere and I lose this edge over here, so I'll have to figure something out with that. So there you go. One step closer.